How do you distinguish? What's the differentiating factor between, say, a grade 2 and grade 3 murmur?
I often, because it can be challenging, I think, to determine, especially depending on the size of the dog, I generally will use the heart sounds to help me determine. Because in a really big dog, like a lab, for example, that's pretty solid, the murmur can sound pretty soft, but it's as loud as the first and second heart sound. So I would call that a grade 3. So if the murmur is softer than the first and second heart sounds, I call it a grade 2. If it's the same, I would call it a grade 3, the same or louder. And then if I hear it on both sides, I call it a 4.
Awesome. Thank you for that.
Absolutely.